Alright, you're welcome to pythonOOP, Object-Oriented Programming. pythonOOP sees everything we work with as object. For us to work in Python as object, we want to see everything. For example, a board marker as an object that has different features. It has height, it has width, it has color pigment, it has make, and so on and so forth. Let's say, for example, we have maker A and maker B. Maker A and maker B, all they produce is to take a feature of a board marker. Alright? We have a board marker taking different features. Now, objects in Python is what we use to do a lot of work. A class is like an object constructor or blueprint for creating an object, meaning that a class is like a template that when we want to create anything, we work with the features of that template. So let's create a class. How do we create a class? We create a class with the keyword class followed by the name of the class, then the features or the blocks of code to follow. Next thing is, we create a class. The name of the class is first class. This first class has three features, X, Y, Z. Then we create an object. For us to access the features of this class, we need a permission we call access. To access these features of this first class, I will go and create what we call object. To create an object, we call instantiating object. Instantiating object means creating an object for that class. Now, when we create an object for the class, then we can use the name of the object to access the class features. Now, creating an object for the class. We create an object called first object. The first object is like a variable. When you create a variable, then the issue is we assign this variable to the class we created before. Means this variable is having access to the features of this class, first class. Now, to access the features X, Y, Z, we do something, we use the name of the object, concatenate or join to the feature of the class. Means, let's say for example, we have print first object dot any of the features of the class. So what we do, number one, you create a class, you create an object, assign object to the class, then you use the name of the object dot the feature that you want to use, that you are having access to. Then we'll print first object of X 10. Then we'll print the rest X, Y, Z. So this is how to create that. We will create another example here. Create a class for bird marker. Now, board marker, we want to create a class. We call it board marker. Right? We'll create this class. What are the features that we want to see in the class? We have color. Equals to red. Then we have width. We have the width equals to 20. We have the height equals to 50. Now we also have make equals to follow. Alright, so we have these features there. So anytime I want to make let's say the make, let's remove the make. Now this, let's say these are the color pigments. I said color pigments. We have this. So let's quickly create here when we have this, then we create an object of that. Create object for the class. The object we are creating is to create a marker that we can dispose. So what will I do? I'll create follow marker. Follow marker equals to follow marker equals to word marker, right? Follow marker equals to word marker. Then for the object follow marker, let's print have follow marker with app dot color pigment. Then we run it. It's going to give us red. We can also have the next one access that. For us to access that, we have follow marker dot height is 50. So that's how we can actually create our object and access the features. Now another thing is like our ATM machine, automated teller machine. It's actually a whole OP program application that was used. So you also can have, when we have account must have account holder, account name, account number, and so on and so forth. So all of that are things that you can actually learn and know how to program that.